Dear learners, Namaskar. I am Vivek Singh, PI for Psychology, and I welcome you to the secondary course in Psychology. Psychology is very easy and interesting subject. It is always with you and around you. The way you remember, you learn, or you imagine, you think and reason, you feel, you behave, all comes under psychology. Actually, psychology is the scientific study of human behavior. Behavior is the expression of our inner world. Everyone modifies his or her behavior according to situations. One's behavior and personality can always be modified for the better of he or she knows the psychological process involved in it. Hence, the study of psychology becomes very important for everybody. In this course, we have tried to introduce you the basics of psychology. So far, the objectives are concerned, the entire course has been developed for you to be familiar with the basic concepts of psychology and their application, to relate oneself positively to family, neighborhood and society, to behave responsibly and in a value based manner, and to learn to live a purposeful life of health and happiness. This course has been divided in 7 modules and 27 lessons. First module is Foundations of Psychology. This module helps students to understand the nature of psychology and the range of behaviors and mental processes which constitute its subject matter. It would also help them to understand the methods and some important fields of psychological applications. Second module is Basic Psychological Processes. This module familiarizes the learners with the concepts and processes involved in knowing the word. It helps to understand the basic ideas involved in acquiring knowledge and retaining it for further use. This module will also describe the processes of perception and the way we become aware of the world and think. It also tries to provide an understanding of the ways we feel and appreciate our inner world. Next one is third module, that is human development. This module aims at describing the processes, characteristics and stages of human development and explaining the influence of biological factors and socio-cultural context on human development. Module 4 is Social Psychological Processes. It describes the influence of social institutions. It also helps to understand how people behave in groups and also explain the formation of human beliefs, attitude and values. The module will explain the process of communication and familiarizes the learners with some major social problems. Fifth module is Health and Well-being. This module aims at developing an understanding about the concepts of happiness and well-being. It describes the obstacles in the pursuit of happiness and psychological processes to overcome them. It also explains the concepts of health, hygiene and describe practices for positive mental health. Next is module 6, that is work life and environmental concerns. This aims at developing an appreciation of the concerns for vocational life and understanding of the challenges of world of work. It also explains the relevance of individual differences for job requirements and notions of work motivation, the relationship between human being and environment, causes and remedies of environmental stress are also part of this module. And last is 7th module, that is yoga, a way of living. This module tries to develop an appreciation among the learners about yoga as a way of life being practiced from ancient times. This module also explains the relevance of yoga in the various stages of our life. It would also provide guidelines to the learners for facing various stresses and tensions in life and for self development. During the transaction of these concepts, we have provided you various activities, additional information, etc. to support and enrich your learning process. I hope this course material in psychology will help you to understand yourself and your place in society. It will also help you to assess your potential and persons around you so that you can socialize with your world and become a good citizen and human being. Thank you very much.